Welcome back to DK Auto Hub. Today, we're showcasing the Porsche 991 Stinger GTR Gen.2 2026, an extreme evolution of the iconic 911 that pushes design and performance to the limit. At first glance, the Stinger GTR Gen.2 looks brutally aggressive. The widebody carbon fiber kit, enlarged air intakes, deep front splitter, and massive rear wing transformed the 991 into a track-ready monster. Sharp LED lighting, a lowered stance, and aerodynamic side vents give this build a race car presence that turns heads instantly. Step inside, and the cockpit feels purpose-built for performance. Lightweight materials, Alcantara surfaces, carbon fiber trim, and racing bucket seats surround the driver. The digital displays focus on speed, RPM, and driving data, keeping distractions to a minimum and the experience fully immersive. Power comes from a turbocharged flat-six engine that delivers explosive acceleration and a raw, unmistakable Porsche exhaust note. Paired with a lightning-fast transmission, the Stinger GTR Gen.2 launches hard and pulls relentlessly through every gear. On the road, this car feels sharp and planted. The upgraded suspension, wider track, and enhanced aerodynamics provide incredible grip through corners, while high-performance brakes deliver precise stopping power at high speeds. The Porsche 991 Stinger GTR Gen.2 2026 ISNT, built for subtlety. It's built for drivers who want extreme design, thrilling performance, and pure 911 attitude. What's your take on this build? Subscribe to DK Auto Hub for more insane performance machines.